Cocoa grind. In the introduction we stated the following. The Confectionery News reports a dramatic decline in cocoa grind, and we said that by the end of this week you will be able to explain what this means for your chocolate bar. Let's see if we can now answer this question. First of all, what is cocoa grind? Grinding is a part of the chocolate making process where cocoa butter is made for the cocoa beans, and from the butter chocolate is made. So the cocoa butter is therefore a natural resource used in the production of chocolate. Many producers are leaving the market because they can no longer make a profit from cocoa grinding. The margins are too slim. So let us use an appropriate diagram to show the effect of cocoa grinding producers leaving the market and what that means for the price for cocoa grind. We start with an appropriate diagram: price vertically, quantity horizontally, and the supply and demand curve. We also need a title: Market for cocoa grind. The fact that producers are leaving the market leads to a shift of the supply curve to the left. We expect a new equilibrium to be reached, so compared to the price at equilibrium, we expect the price to increase to P1. So now we have established that cocoa grind will become more expensive. The question now is, how does that influence the price of your chocolate? Cocoa butter is a cost for chocolate producers. So if we now look at the diagram for the market for chocolate, and in particular at the supply curve, we'll see a shift of the supply curve to the left. An increase in the cost of production leads to a shift of the supply curve to the left. Again, we will see an increase from PE to P1, so we expect the price of chocolate to increase. If we look at the comparison between these two diagrams, it's important to see that even though the shift of the supply curve to the left is equal, the underlying factor is different. In the market for cocoa grind, it was producers leaving the market, whereas in the market for chocolate, it's an increase in the cost of production.